So what we're going to do now is look at how we can automatically fill the cells within column B with both the date and the time as we need them to be. So the way that we're going to do this is we're going to use this formula that we have up here, and we can see this is two if functions linked together. The first if that we have, we can see that we're looking at is the cell A1 not equal to anything, and we can see that within that we then have a true or false with another if within this. So the next part that we can look at is if B1 isn't equal to anything, then it's equal to B1 now. And now with the now function that we have within there, that will insert both the time and date that we have. And to finish it off, we can see that we have the three parentheses going into the final false statement there. If we use that there and click enter, we can then drag that down if we need to do. But before we do, one thing that we need to make sure is that within your settings, whether this is a Mac or a Windows computer, that you have this setting on here. So once that setting's on, then we can click onto the cell and we can drag that down. And by dragging that down, that will apply that to all the cells within B1 then, within column B then. So once we've done, we can then change all the cells within B to the custom formula of day, day, month, month, year, year, and then the hours and minutes. And now we can see that as we add in the time or anything within to that cell, it will automatically add the date and time. So a way that this could be used practically within the workforce then is if you were to enter something or you were doing a task, you could see that as you entered the task or you did the task, it will record the day and the time for you of when you did that. So if you were doing a list of anything, then it will bring it up there for you. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps.